Hello students, this is your teacher Manju Patel sir. So today we are going to learn about exercise 6.4 of a triangle lesson. In this first question is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is 15.4 centimeter square, find BC. So according to then triangle ABC is similar to DAF. Theorem, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB by DE whole square. Okay, so put EF and ABC DF values here. So after putting the values, what we get, triangle ABC equal to 64 centimeter square, DF is equal to 121 centimeter square, BC we don't know, so EF is 15.4 centimeter whole square. Okay, so take this square into this side, take this square this side, what will become root. So root 64 means 8, root 121 means 11. So after cross multiply this 15.4 cross multiply this to 8 into 15.4 divided by 11. So after cancellation of this, what we get, 8 into 1.4. okay, so because 11 ones are 11 ones are, what will remain here, 4, so it becomes 44. Take a point, 44 means 11 4 is 44, 1.4, 1.4 into 8, 11.8. So BC equal to 11.8 centimeter. Okay, so go to next question, second question. Here diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O of triangle AB equal to 2CD. AB is equal to 2CD. Find the ratio of the areas of the triangle AOB and COD. Okay, so they don't given that AOB and COD are triangles are similar to each other. So that's why we have to prove these two are similar first. Okay, so take AB parallel to CD. Okay, and next in triangle OAB and OCD are equal. Why? So these two are alternate angle because these two are parallel now. So that's why these two angles are alternate angles are equal. And in another way, these two B and D also equal. These are also alternative angles. They are taken here. So takes first I already told you, take prove these AOB and COD are similar. That's why I am taking here AOB and COD triangles. AOB is equal to COD, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So OAB, OCD, OAB, OCD, alternative angles. OBA, ODC, alternative angles. Okay, so as per AA similarity criterion, AOB is similar to COD. After we proving similarity, what we will do? So put the values of triangles. What they given here? AB equal to 2CD. So triangle AOB, as per theorem we write triangle area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to AB by CD whole square. Okay, so instead of AB we put 2CD because in question AB is equal to 2CD. Okay, that's why. So CD get cancelled. So 2 square means 4, 1 square means 1. So 4 is to 1. So area of triangle AOB is to area of triangle COD is equal to 4 is to 1 is the ratio of these two triangles. Okay. Next, third question. In the following figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. So on the same base BC, here is two triangles. What are those? ABC is one triangle, DBC is another triangle. Okay. If AD intersect at O, AD intersect O, BC at O at this point. Okay. So area of triangle ABC DBC is equal to AO by DO. Actually, they don't given here AC and BD are parallel to each other. So if they given that they are parallel to each other, we simply prove that as we proved here. Okay, they don't given here AB is parallel to DC, as here they don't given here AB is parallel to DC. So that's why take in another way. What's that? So take the triangle. Let us draw the two perpendiculars of AP and DM on the line by C. So draw this perpendicular AP and DM. Okay, to BC diagonal. Okay. After that, area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height now. That's why. So area of triangle ABC. What it becomes? ABC means half into base is BC, height is AB. Okay. Again, in area of DBC, base is BC again same, height is DM because it is a perpendicular here. That's all. So half BC get cancelled. What will remain? AP by DM will remain at last. Okay. So next, these two triangles. What are those? APO and DMO. We have to prove these two are similar. Okay. So that's why taken here APO and DMO. APO, DMO are equal to 90 degree as per construction. So we are constructed like this perpendicularly. That's why it is also perpendicular. DMO also perpendicular. Okay. So these two are APO, DMO are perpendicular. So it is equal to 90 degree. And AOP, DOM are equal because they are vertically opposite angle. If these two angles are equal, you can say by AA similarity criterion theorem, triangle APO is similar to triangle DMO. Okay. So after proving these two are similar as per first theorem of triangles, repeated theorem, we may write proportionals. Okay. So what are those proportionals? Take these two triangles A, P, O. Okay. P is equal to M here. So P equal to M. O equal to O. So O in place of O. Another is D. Okay. Let AP by DM. AP by DM. AO by DO. AO by DO. Okay. Another one is PO is MO. PO divided by MO, but need not to write here. Okay. So these two are enough. AP. What is the AP value? AP by DM equal to AO by DO. So as per this condition, in place of AP by DM, we will write AO by DO. So this is we are going to prove. Right? We are proving here. Okay. Just you have to make these two are similar. Okay. After the making similar, we write these proportionals. Instead of AP by DM, we write AO by DO. It is proved. Okay. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. Okay. Areas are this one means area of two similar triangles are equal. Areas of these two are equal now as per given question. Okay. These two are equal and these two are similar too. Okay. So as per theorem, we write if these two are similar, write areas of triangles proportionals. AB by PQ whole square equal to BC by QR whole square equal to AC by PR whole square. So they are given that triangle ABC is equal to triangle PQR. Okay, equal anta kottidare. That's all. Okay, so we write a triangle ABC and PQR. If these two are equal, cancel each other. What is the answer? 1. It means 2 by 2 occur. 2 are equal. No? After cancellation, what will we get? 1. So that's why if these two are equal, answer is 1. So instead of here this proportional, we write 1. So take this square into this side. What will it become? Root 1. So root 1 means again 1. So that's why after this we write AB by PQ equal to 1. Next BC by QR also equal to 1. AC by PR are also equal to 1 because all are equal to 1 here. Take this square into this side, what will become root 1. Root 1 means again 1. That's why. So AB by PQ equal to 1 means AB cross multiply this. AB to PQ into 1, that is PQ. Okay, AB equal to PQ. BC is equal to QR. AC cross multiply this, AC equal to PR. Okay, so they are written here. So all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal means as per SSS postulate, we say that AB is congruent to triangle PQR. It is congruent, not similar. Okay. So similar to already they given similar. We are going to here congruent. Okay. So next question number 5. D and DEF are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CA of triangle ABC, and the rest of the areas triangle DEF and ABC. So this triangle and whole triangle ABC. Okay, so we have to prove that these two. So not proving, find, we have to prove, find ratio of these two triangles. Okay, so DE are the midpoints of triangle ABC. DE are the midpoints of triangle ABC. Okay, so in the previous class you studied that midpoint theorem. 9th class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು midpoint theorem ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So in that if 2 points are right here, diagram, triangle A, B, C, D is the midpoint of AB. Okay, it is A. E is the midpoint of BC. F is the midpoint of AC. So just join this. Okay. As for midpoint theorem, we read this midpoint theorem. Okay. As per midpoint theorem, DE is parallel to AC. Okay, DE is parallel to AC, and again DE is half of AC. So it means BED ABC triangle. In BED and ABC triangle, what we write? BED BC are corresponding angles. How? BED this. BED is this angle. BED equal to what angle? BC angle. Because if these two are, this side and this side are parallel, so these two are corresponding angles. That's why BDE BAC are corresponding. These two are also corresponding. BDE and BAC. These two are also corresponding. Okay. So remaining one common angle. B is common angle for both the triangles. So three angles are equal to corresponding three angles. Okay. It means a similarity criteria. These two are similar. Okay. So after similar proving to these two are similar, we have to write as per theorem area of triangle BED divided by area of triangle BCA is equal to DE by AC whole square. Okay. We know that. What we know? Here it is. Instead of D, we write here AC by 2. Okay. Divided by AC whole square. Okay. So here it means 1. AC get cancelled. After taking reciprocal of this, 1 by 2 will remain. So 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4. Here it is. Okay. So next, total answer is area of BED is equal to 1 by 4th of area of BCA. So BD, this triangle is 1 by 4th of whole triangle. Okay, whole triangle means this is BCA. Okay, so similarly this triangle also 1 by 4th of whole triangle. This triangle also 1 by 4th of whole triangle. Again this triangle also 1 by 4th of whole triangle. That's why DEF is equal to area of ABC means all the triangle minus, in that what we subtract, minus these three triangles 1, 2, 3 right here, BED, CFE, ADF. whole triangle nalli ee 3 triangles na subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, middle one ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Okay, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So write directly here. So write here clearly. Okay. So what is this? It is triangle BED means in place of this I write 1/4 of triangle ABC. Okay. What is this value? This is also equal to 1/4 of triangle ABC. Again this also equal to 1/4 of triangle ABC. So here it is. ADF also equal to 1/4 of ABC. CF also 1/4 of ABC. BED also 1/4 of ABC. So okay. So that's why I wrote here 1/4 ABC, 1/4 ABC, 1/4 ABC means all is equal to 3/4 of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC minus 3/4 of ABC equal to, so ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1ನಲ್ಲಿ 3/4 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಭಾಗ, 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಭಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲು ಭಾಗ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ವೇ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 1 minus 3/4. Take LCM of 1 and 4, it is 4. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 4 1s are 4. 1 4s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 it's equal to 1/4. Here it is. Okay, 1/4 of triangle ABC. So what is the answer here? Area of triangle DEF is equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. Let's take area of triangle ABC into divide. So this side. So what it is? Area of triangle ABC will become equal to, remaining answer here only 1/4. That's why area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/4. It is one of the important question. So remember it. Okay. So here actually, so we need not to prove all the triangles are similar to all triangles. Means ನೋಡ್ರಿ BED ನಾನೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, BED ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/4 ಆಫ್ BCA ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು CF ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/4 ಆಫ್ CBA, ADF ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/4 ABC ಅಂತ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದು ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಇವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, DF ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೂರು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ DF ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ABC ಮೈನಸ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು DEF. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು EF. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ 3 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ? ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ABC, ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ABC, ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ABCಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ABC ಅಲ್ಲ, 1/4 ಆಫ್ ABC, 1/4 ಆಫ್ ABC, 1/4 ಆಫ್ ABC. ಸೊ 1/4 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3/4 ಆಫ್ ABC. ಸೊ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ 3/4 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1/4 ರಿಮೈನ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1/4 ಆಫ್ ABC. ಸೊ ಈ 1/4 ಆಫ್ ABC ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ABC ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ DEF ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ABC ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Okay, it is the median. Let us assume that two similar triangles. What are those two similar triangles? ABC and PQ are similar. ABC and PQ are similar. ADPS is the medians. AD and PS are medians here. Okay. Triangle ABC, PQ are similar. If these two are similar, what we write? Proportionals as per BPT theorem. Okay, BPT theorem. Okay, as per theorem we write proportionals AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR. Okay, so and also we write angles also equal. A angle equal to P, B equal to Q, C equal to R. We write it here. Okay. So next, AD and PC are the medians. That's why if these two are medians, it means what? BD is equal to half of BC. CD also equal to half of BC. So QS is equal to half of QR. SR also equal to half of QR. They are rated here. Okay. So equation 1. What is equation? This one. This one equation becomes what it becomes? AB by PQ as it is. BC by QR. In place of BC by QR, we write BD by QS because BC by 2 is equal to BD. So in place of BC, we write what we write? In this place, we write. So cross multiply this. BC equal to 2BD. No? So in cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? BC equal to 2BD ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Again, QR equal to ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? QR equal to 2QS ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. QR equal to 2QS ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? BD by QS equal to BC by QR ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ BC by QR ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ BD by QS ನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಥರ AC by PRಗೆ AC by PR ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ 3 ಅಂತ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ABD PQS triangle. ABD PQS means these two. ABD PQS triangle. Okay. So this triangle, angle B is equal to angle Q because it is in condition 2 here. Angle B equal to Q. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay. So equation 2, using equation 2, B angle B is equal to angle Q, and using proportionals. So AB by PQ is equal to BD by PS. So two sides are proportionals, one angle is equal. So SA similarity criteria prakara ABD is similar to PQS. Okay. So after proving that AB by PQ equal to BD by QS equal to AD by PS, so we write as per theorem area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square equal to PC by QR whole square equal to AC by PR whole square. So from equation 1 and 4, what are those? From this is 1 and equation 1 is AB by PQ, BC by QR and AC by PR. This is condition 1. Okay. So compare this to AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. AB by P equal to BC by QR. AC by PR. This is condition 1. So this is equal to what? AD by PC as per condition 4. This AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS. Though AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS. So compare all these. What we write? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AD by PS whole square. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ AD by PS ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು AB by PQ ಇರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AD by PS ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ರೇಷ್ ಆಫ್ ದರ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ AD ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ PS ಆರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. So 7th also important. Prove that the area of a equilateral triangle described on the sides of a triangle square is equal to the half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on the diagonals. ಅಂದರೆ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ABC ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಡಯಾಗನಲ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನಿದು? ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೇಟರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲೇಟರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೇಲಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಲು ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಲು ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದ ಆಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಎ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ. ಸೊ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಎ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಎ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎ, ಸಿ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಕೂಡ ಎ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೈಗೊನಲ್. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಗೊನಲ್ √2a ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ಸೊ they write directly. So explain it. I explained here. So how they taken? Okay. Take ABD triangle or DCB triangle. In triangle BCD, C angle is 90 degree. Angle C is 90 degree. Okay. It becomes in triangle BCD becomes a right angle triangle. So BD becomes hypotenuse. So as per Pythagoras theorem, BD square is equal to DC square plus BC square. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Actually we learned this Pythagoras in previous classes also, but not theorem. So procedure of using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So we are going to learn Pythagoras theorem in next classes. Okay. So we don't know BD value. So write BD as it is. BD square. DC is A square. BC is A. That is also A square. A square 2A square. So BD square equal to 2A square. What is BD? Square becomes √2A square. So √2 √A square. Square root get cancel. Answer is √2a. So BD is equal to √2a. So that's why BD is diagonal now, sir. Its diagonal is √2a. Okay, observe here. Two desired equilateral triangles are formed. Triangle ABE DBF. ABE DBF. These are the divide. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಲು ಇದು ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABE ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ A. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ A ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಸಹ ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು A ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ. ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸಹ ಎ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಸಹ ಎ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ DBF. ಸೊ DBF ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? √2a ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಆಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆಂತ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸು 60 ಅಂದರೆ ಇವು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸು 60 ಇವು ಮೂರು ಸಹ 60 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ all equal triangles are similar to each other. Hence the ratio between the areas of the triangles will be equal to the squares of the ratio between the sides of these triangles. As per theorem, we write area of triangle ABE divided by area of triangle DBF is equal to area of triangle. So it means in that one side of ABC is equal to A and one side of DBF is equal to √2a. So a square. So yeah, otherwise a get cancelled. What will remain here? 1 by √2. So 1 square means 1, √2 square means 2. So area of triangle ABE divided by area of triangle DBF is equal to 1 by 2 means DBF is 2 times ABE. ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಇದು ಇದರ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದರ ಹಾಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ 2 times of triangle ಎ ಬಿ ಇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ remaining 2 questions. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, so equilateral triangles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60. ಓಕೆ, midpoints of BC. Ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and BDE. BDE ಮತ್ತು ಹೋಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ, ಆಲ್ದೇ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸಹ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1/4 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ತಾನೆ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಇ ಈಸ್ 1/4 ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ 1/4 ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗ. ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಗೇನ್. We know that equilateral triangles of all its angles equal to 60 degree, all its sides of same length, therefore all equilateral triangles are similar to each other. All equilateral triangles are similar to each other irutte. Hagagi as the ratio between the areas these triangles will be equal to the squares of the ratio between the sides of the triangle as per theorem condition it is. Okay, this is theorem condition. Triangle ABC, consider it is ABC equal to x. BD is half of x. Why? Because BD is in side of it is andre side of ABC is x, side of ABC ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರ ಆಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ಬಿ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಸೈಡು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸೈಡಿಗಿಂತ ಆಫ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x/2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಸೈಡ್ x/2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ x/2. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ x get cancelled. So remaining answer is actually after cancellation this take 1 divided by 1/2. So reciprocal of this becomes 2/1 whole square. So 2 square means 4, 1 square means 1. So this is the answer. Okay, C1 is the answer. So side of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. It is also important question in MCQ. They ask multiple times. Okay, so ratio of 4:9. Area of these triangles are in the ratio. So it's simple. Area of these triangles is equal to 4/9 whole square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್. ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ನ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಇ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ 4:9. ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 4/9 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ divided by area of triangle DEF equal to 4/9 whole square. 4 square means 16, 9 square means 81. So this is the ratio. Where it is? 16/81. Here it is. D1 is the answer. Okay. So this completes your exercise 6.4. So practice more and learn more. Notes, complete your notes. So thank you.